Hi, mathematicians. I wanted to show you our Khan Academy lessons this week and how to submit your assignment for those, or just take notes. And you don't really have to worry about submitting the assignment for the note-taking piece. But I do want you to take thoughtful notes on the videos, and I would like you to work on page 7 in your student book. This week we're working on multiplication strategies. So our Khan Academy videos are properties of multiplication, properties and patterns for multiplication, and the associative property of multiplication. All of those assignments and videos are already uploaded into our class, so you should see those once you log into Khan. Remember, you can work on this PDF of page 7 and open that with Kami and work right on the computer, or you can use page 7 in your student book and take a picture for Mr. Mack and upload it that way as well. So to get into our Khan Academy, I want you to use this link here. It's within our assignment, or it's also down here. It's the same one. Just put it in two places for you. So if I click link and join, if you have not joined yet, it'll ask you to join our class, and you will join with your Google account. So this says join Mr. Mack's class, or I'm in a different class. So we're going to join Mr. Mack's class because this is Emily's account, so she's already logged in. Once you're in, or once you've joined, if you haven't joined yet, you're just going to click that and say join Mr. Mack's class, and then it'll ask you for your birthday. So put your birthday in, and then put in log in with Google, not username on this one, but you'll log in with your Google account. Okay. So once you're in here, this is Emily's account again. So what I notice here on this front page is we have course mastery, assignments, your courses, and you can create other courses if you like. So if mom or dad or somebody in your family would like you to work on something else, or maybe Mr. McIntosh, you and I talk, we could add our own course that you can work on your own pace as well. So things like, math or ELA. Maybe we're still reviewing some things, so maybe it's some more fourth grade material, or maybe you're ready to move on and it might be upper fifth or sixth grade material even. Just depends on what we're working on. You can see your progress, your profile, and your teachers. So right now I'm in the teachers tab, and you can see here we are. Emily just has me, Jay McIntosh. Don't remove me, Emily. So what I want you to focus on this week is assignments. So when you click assignments, I have uploaded these assignments for you. So you have 5 assignments. Now, 3 of them are videos and 2 of them are practice after you watch the video. So I think this first one would be a video. The understanding would be the practice within Khan. Properties of multiplication would be the video. The associative property of multiplication, I think, is also a video. And then this might be the practice. Let me see if I click. Can this drop down? Oh, no. So the triangle means a video. The star means practice. So you have triangle means watch the video, do the practice, watch the video, do the practice, watch the video. I don't know if you have to do that in any order, but these go in order from the way that I assign them. They do go in order. So if you're able to watch this video first, then you can do the practice here. While you're watching the video, I want you to take notes as well. So you can use notebooks. You can use a Google Doc if some kids have figured out how to do a split screen. So they have a Google Doc on one side, and then they'll have the video playing on the other side. You can Google how to do a split screen on a Chromebook. It's pretty neat, actually. It's alt and then the brackets is how you do that. It's pretty cool. And it looks like that. So I don't have anything on this side right now because there's nothing open. But what you could have theoretically is the Khan video on, let's say, this side where I am here. And then on this side, you could have your Google Doc while you're typing notes and listening and watching the video. Let's just show you how to do that real quick. So if you want to do it that way, you want to go into your Google Drive. So Emily has her portal already bookmarked there. Great idea, Emily. You want to go into your Google Drive. And if you don't need this, then you can just stop the video because I'm not talking anything else about Calm. I'm just going to show you how to do the split screen. So to do the split screen, it's Alt and then the two brackets, which is the brackets above the enter sign and the quotation mark sign. So you want to do a new document, and you want to have a Google Doc here. When you click the Google Doc, it opens up in a tab that you're currently in. But I believe if you drag this tab over, you can pull it out of your tab above and just drag it right over. I'm using two fingers in the bar. Now I have a split screen. So I have my notes here, notes from Con. Sorry, that was a firework. Whenever the Seahawks score, there is a fire. Our neighbor shoots off fireworks, so they must have scored. So you could be watching your video in your Khan Academy class on this side, and then after that loads up, the video will load up, and then you can type over here. So it's kind of handy. We'll talk about this in one of our Zoom classes as well. So let's see. Using the associative property to simplify multiplication. So it's a video, it's 4 minutes, 31 seconds. I don't know if I can take this off of, since I'm recording my voice.
Knowledge of multiplying single-digit numbers to multiply things that might involve two digits. So for example, let's start with what is 5 times 18? And you can pause the video and see how you might try to approach this, and then we'll do it together.
So,
all right, so if we're trying
so there's the video going. I'm writing notes over here. I'm a pretty good typer, so I can keep up pretty well. It might be a little harder for you. It's just like writing notes, keeping up with the video, but whichever way you like. I like the idea of writing it down personally, where I would rather you write it down, but if it's easier to do it here, then do that if that makes sense. If that works for you, go for it. I don't mind you to do that. So hopefully that helps. And when you are done, then you can submit it. Well, you can either share it with Mr. Mac this way, or you could submit it through your Schoology page. And I'm not really sure how to do that, so I don't want to get into that right now. But you can save it for now, and we can look at it later if you do the Google Doc way, or you can share it with me too, if that makes sense to you. So whatever way, as long as you're understanding multiplication strategies, that's all I care about. Okay. There we go. Back to our full screen. All right. Have fun. Take your time. Good job. Go Seahawks.